Editing a WordPress website is straightforward thanks to its user-friendly interface. Here's a concise guide on how to edit your WordPress site. Log into your dashboard. Access your WordPress admin dashboard by adding wp-admin to your website URL and entering your credentials. Navigate to Pages or Posts. To edit content, go to Pages for static pages or Posts for blog posts. Locate the page or post you want to edit. Use Gutenberg Editor. WordPress uses the Gutenberg block editor. Click Edit to open the editor, where you can modify text, add media, and structure content using blocks. Add or edit media. Insert images or multimedia by clicking the plus icon and selecting the appropriate block. Edit existing media by clicking on them. Modify page attributes. In the right sidebar, adjust page attributes like featured image, page template, or parent page for hierarchical structures. Update or save changes. After making edits, click Update to save changes. If you are creating a new post or page, click Publish when you're ready. Customize appearance. Customize your site's appearance under Appearance in the dashboard. Here you can edit the theme, customize the menu, and add widgets. Manage plugins. Access plugins to add, deactivate, or delete plugins. Plugins extend functionality, so choose them wisely. Check preview. Before publishing changes, preview your page or post to ensure it looks as intended. Regular backups. Before major edits or updates, perform regular backups using plugins like Updraft Plus to avoid data loss.